Click on upload here, open up a file from your PC, and just enjoy the profits from there. If you're looking for an easy way to make money online, then this is the perfect video for you. I will show you step by step how to set this up for yourself. And as such, make sure you keep watching. Before we dive into the video, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to know how to make money online the easiest way. Smash the like button and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Let's get right into the video. Alright, so let's get on with this strategy. The very first website we will be using today in order to make money online is called freeplrdownloads.com. Now, I've shown this website recently, but I want you to keep watching because this is a unique strategy that I've never talked about before. And there's a site I've never shown you guys that I will show you later on in this video, with which we'll be able to get paid a lot of money passively. What ebook is your favorite right now? Share it with us in the comment section down below. First off though, for those of you who perhaps haven't heard about this platform here, this is essentially a site where you can find ebooks that you can use freely. PLR itself stands for Private Label Rights. So basically, what you can do is download any of these ebooks and do whatever you want with them. You can claim you're the author, you can edit them freely, and change anything you want to. You can sell them too and make money off of them. And so on. In short, you can do just about anything with these ebooks. Now, on the left hand side here, you will see that we have ebooks in many different niches. You've got an affiliate marketing, business, email marketing, finance, health, internet marketing, and so on. But out of all these, we will want to focus on the make money online niche in particular. And so, what you want to do is either type and make money online in the search bar here, or you can just select the business or whatever niche you want that is related to making money online. Either way, what you will want to do from here is simply pick any of these ebooks that you can find. I open up this one for example. It's called Make Money Online Positive Action Plan. And to download this, all I need to do is scroll down just a bit and I will be able to find the download button right here. And all I have to do is click on that to download the ebook to my PC. Free of charge. Once you download your ebook, you want to head over to the next platform we will be using today. And it's a site some of you have heard about before. Definitely. It's none other than digistore24.com. For those oblivious, this is basically an affiliate marketplace where you can find products, mostly digital products that is, to promote as an affiliate, and you will get paid whenever someone you referred makes a purchase. It's extremely similar to ClickBank, but with one major difference. It will most likely work in your country. ClickBank isn't as good because it isn't available worldwide, and that is unfortunately the reason why you don't want to use it, but use Digistore24 instead. Before you can start promoting anything, however, you will need to click on register in the upper right corner to create an account. And by the way, since we have so much to cover today, I won't walk you through this sign up process since it's all simple. And I know you'll be able to manage it. With that being said, I will now go ahead and log into my own account so I can show you what needs to be done from here. Okay, so I just logged in. The very first thing you want to do when you do the same is click on Marketplace here and then select all offers on the affiliate marketplace, which will take you straight over to the page I am now on as we speak. And it's on this very page where you will be able to find products to promote as an affiliate. And as you can see on the left here, There is no shortage of niches, but once again, we want to focus on the make money online niche, and so you want to select internet marketing and e-business right here. On the next page, you'll be able to see that there are just over 20 products as of now, so not a real big amount. But since Digistore is growing by the day, this number will go higher most definitely. And besides, 20 products is more than enough for you to find something good to promote. When picking a product, there are two things you want to look out for. First off is popularity, which is shown right here. And secondly, how much it pays in the commissions, which are shown right over here. You don't want to pick products that are very popular but won't pay you even half decently. But you also don't want products that pay very nicely but aren't popular. This product here called Tube Mastery and Monetization by Matt Parr is perfect in both regards. As we can see, it is nearly 5 stars as far as popularity is concerned, which actually isn't a surprise since this is a YouTube course and a lot of people want to make money on YouTube nowadays. And we can also see on the right area here that we will get paid very well. This offers 50% commissions, and on average, we make around $200 per sale, which is, when you think about it, quite a lot. If you get 100 people to buy this, that's already $20,000 made. And I will show you a traffic source where you'll be able to easily find hundreds of thousands of people to make sure you keep watching. Anyhow, what you guys basically need to do when you find a good product to promote is click right here in order to be able to grab the affiliate link. And you now want to shorten the link using a site called bit.ly.com. You don't have to do this, as I've said time and time again, but I highly recommend you to do so because the affiliate link starts off as digistore24.com, and so it's obvious that you're promoting something and you most likely won't get as many clicks on your link as a result. Anyhow, to shorten the link, if you so wish that is, just scroll down a bit and paste it on here before clicking on the shortened button located on the right. With that done, now that you have your affiliate link, shortened or not, you will want to head over to the next platform called PDF to docx.com. Now, as the name suggests, this will allow you to convert PDF files into docx files or vice versa. And as some of you may know, the ebook we downloaded earlier is in a PDF document which we cannot edit, and so we want to convert it into a docx file first. To convert the file, all you've got to do is click on upload files here to open up the file in question. You will then just have to wait a few seconds before being able to see the download button right here. And as you can see, clicking on that will download the file into the docx format, which is actually what we want. And you now want to open it. What you want to do with the actual ebook is add in something at both the beginning of the ebook and near the end of it. Like this. This is the number one way to make money online. This is the best way to make money online. This is how I make money online. Stuff like that. And right next to that, you want to add in your affiliate link, like so. Now, giving out this ebook to people allows us to both help people make money online for free, since as you can know, this ebook contains tips and tricks for people interested in making money online. And we will also be able to make money ourselves, since whenever someone sees something like this is the number one way to make money online, they will want to click on this link. And in any case they make a purchase, you will earn over $100 just like that. However, before you can give this ebook out, you want to convert it back into a PDF file once you edit it and add in the affiliate links. And doing that is very simple. Just come over to this website once again, select docx to PDF here, and once again click on upload files. Open the edited docx file, and then, when converted, download it. With that done, you now want to head over to the last platform we will be using today, one I mentioned way back in the beginning, called free-ebooks.net. As the name suggests, on this site you can find a bunch of ebooks that you can read for free. But the best part about this site, and also the reason we want to use it in particular, is because it gets around 1 million visits per month, as you can see, which is just insane. This means that an ebook published here sure gets at least thousands of visits, and you literally need a few dozen people purchasing what you're promoting in order to make thousands of dollars just like that on complete autopilot. So this has enormous potential to earn you a lot of money, and passively too. Before you can publish your ebook though, you want to create an account by clicking on join free right over here. When you create and log into your account, this is all you literally need to do in order to publish your ebook so that millions of people may see it. Firstly, you want to click on publish right here. On the next page, just enter in the ebook name, which should be in the same as the name of it. Over on free PLR downloads, enter in the author's name, enter a description, select the book type category, enter in some keywords related to making money online, and finally, click on upload here to open up the ebook and upload it onto this platform so you can earn money in complete passive income from there. Now with that said, this is it for today's video guys. I hope you did get some value out of it. Please comment below if the video can help you a lot financially. Then be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe to my channel with notifications on so you'll not miss out any of the future contents. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next videos.